Hello, this is Tony Hiller from RealClimateScience.com, the climate guy setting the record straight about climate. This video is an update on Arctic fake news. Almost everything we read in the press about the Arctic is fake news. Here's a story from Popular Science from 4 days ago. It says Greenland is having a meltdown. Is Greenland really having a meltdown? Let's look at the data. This graph is from the Danish Meteorological Institute, and it shows the current surface mass budget of the Greenland ice sheet. The blue line shows the amounts of melt or accumulation that's gone on the ice sheet since September 1st of last year. The dark line shows the 1981 to 2010 mean of ice accumulation or loss on the Greenland ice sheet. As you can see, this year has been far above normal, and the ice is melting very slowly this summer. Popular Science claims that Greenland is melting down are baseless. They're just fake news. We've reached peak summer melt season on the Greenland ice sheet. And what are temperatures like there? This photo is taken at a scientific research station in the center of the ice sheet today. Temperatures minus 22 degrees C. Greenland is at its peak melt season and it's way below freezing. Obviously, the ice sheet is not melting down. So what about Arctic sea ice? This map is the current sea ice extent from the National Snow and Ice Data Center in Boulder, Colorado. White shows the location of the ice. The Arctic Ocean is pretty much full of ice. There's about 8 weeks left to the melt season near the pole. And how are temperatures looking? This is the temperature forecast from the National Center for Environmental Prediction from Wednesday, July 12th to Thursday, July 20th. And you can see this turquoise blob of below freezing temperatures over the Beaufort Sea. It's going to be pretty hard to melt a lot of ice at below freezing temperatures. And according to the Danish Meteorological Institute, temperatures have been below normal near the pole ever since the beginning of May, and they're quite a bit below normal now. So what do government experts have to say about Arctic sea ice? They say the Arctic's going to be ice-free this summer. That's going to be pretty hard to do with temperatures below freezing. They also said the Arctic would be ice-free by 2016, last year. Experts also said the Arctic would be ice-free in 2015. And Nobel laureate Al Gore said the Arctic would be ice-free by 2014. The Sierra Club said the Arctic would be ice-free by 2013. The BBC repeated that the Arctic would be ice-free by 2013. In 2008, National Geographic said the North Pole would be ice-free that summer. In fact, data from the National Snow and Ice Data Center shows that there's been no trend in Arctic sea ice since 2006. It's completely flat. Arctic sea ice isn't increasing, it isn't decreasing. Everything you hear about the Arctic from the press is fake news. Greenland isn't melting down, and Arctic sea ice isn't melting down. Visit Toto on the web at realclimatescience.com. He's been pulling back the curtain on junk science for a long time.